everyone, happy holidays and a Merry Christmas. Now I know some of you guys might have noticed that, there hasn't been a video this week. That's mainly because, it's the holidays, the Christmas week. I decided to take a 1 week break, but don't worry, starting back next week, my videos will return on their regular schedule. And with that being said, I do want to do something special, mainly because, it's my first full year on YouTube. I kind of want to give back. And what better way to give back than by donating to a charity, right? So what I'm thinking is, let's do however much I earned from the month of December this month, which is not a lot, because I'm still a small YouTuber, but it's like maybe $100, around so that I earned from YouTube, around 100, and I'll double, maybe triple it. I'll triple the amount of whatever I earn and donate to a charity. And what charity you might ask? Well, being as how it's the Christmas season, let's do something with kids. But I don't really know what charity that involves kids. So if you guys know of any great charities that deals with kids, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll pick one and I'll donate to them. Other than that, there's really not much else to say except, last week was the official end of my Philippines series. Starting next week will be my Thailand videos. But don't worry, this is not the end of the Philippines. Next year or the next few months, I will be back in the Philippines to check it out and explore all around. As you know, Philippines is a huge area. There's so many more cities I want to see, so many more foods I want to try to eat, and it's just such a great experience. So I'm definitely going back to the Philippines sometime in the next few months. But as for that, next week will be my Thailand videos. Hopefully you guys enjoy watching them. I had so much fun filming in Thailand. It was just mind-blowing to see, and I just hope you like it. Other than that, there's really not much to say except, happy holidays. Hope you're enjoying your time spending with family, friends, loved ones, and just have a Merry Christmas. And I'll see y'all later.